How to create a resume using AI in minutes. First, open your web browser or apps and visit an AI resume builder, such as ChatGPT, Canva, Kick Resume, or Enhancy. Many of these tools offer free plans or free resume templates. Next, sign into your account and choose Create Resume or select a resume template. Enter your basic information, including your name, contact details, work experience, education, and skills. If you're using ChatGPT, simply ask it to create a professional resume based on your information. Let the AI generate your resume. Review the content carefully and make any changes you want, such as updating job descriptions, adding certifications, or adjusting the formatting to match the job you're applying for. Once you're satisfied, preview your resume and download it as a PDF or another supported format. Before sending it to employers, proofread everything to make sure the information is accurate and up to date. That's it. You've successfully created a professional resume using AI in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tools, career tips, and easy tech guides.